Hi guys, Ronnie here. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to part 2 of my video series on experimenting with a new design I implemented on my entryway benches. So in part 1, if you haven't seen part 1, I'll put a card up here. Part 1 was all about the build. I gave you the dimensions. I show you how I put it together. What else? I give you the cost of the lumber. All of that. It's pretty easy. So part 2, this video, it's all about the ad I'm going to put on Facebook Marketplace. I actually placed the ad a couple hours ago, but I'm going to show you the pictures I took, how I staged the entryway bench, the lighting, the pictures, the copy, the ad copy I wrote, all about the ad, right? This is day 1, so I don't know if it's sold yet or not. You're gonna go with me on this process. Hopefully it only lasts a day, but anyway. So backtracking a bit on part 1, at the end, I told you you'd have to wait till this video to see the color scheme that I chose. So I'm not going to have you wait any longer. It's right here. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you what I decided to go with there. So I decided to go with black slats on top paired with a dark walnut body, which is a great color combination in my opinion. Now to recap, this bench is 44 by 15 by 20 inches high. It's very easy to build, as you saw in part 1, the build video. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. Now here's the general routine I go through when setting up lighting and staging any furniture I'm going to sell. Nothing fancy. I just set up what I think looks nice, and I will rearrange lights as I move around the bench to take photos. I take a lot of photos with various items staged. I will also take a lot of photos with just the furniture piece itself and no staging. When I'm sorting through all the images, I pick the best 10 for my ad, usually 5 staged and 5 just the piece of furniture. Now, Facebook Marketplace lets you upload 10 images, so take advantage of that real estate. I have an entire video focused on staging, so check that one out. Now, here's the actual Facebook Marketplace ad I placed just a couple of hours ago. I titled it Handcrafted Rustic Entryway Bench and priced it at $195, which is a little under what I normally charge, but this is a holiday weekend and I feel there might not be as many eyeballs on this ad than normal. I don't know that for sure. That's just my hunch. Here's what I wrote and typically write in the ad's description. Along with the dimensions and stain or paint color, I make sure to emphasize it's handcrafted, solid wood, and that I take custom orders if a different size or color is desired. Now, I've had several orders received as a result of including the custom orders line. So be sure to add that line if you're willing to do that. Then always at the end, I include a line thanking the reader for supporting local crafters. Include as much information as you can with the least words possible. One final point is that I spent $4 boosting this ad. I always boost my ads as it gets seen by more people that way. Okay, it's the next day and I want to give an update as to what action I've had on the ad. I'm going to show you the 10 photos I chose to include with this ad as I recap. So yesterday was Friday, and that's the day I normally place ads. Today, Saturday, I got one lowball offer. A lady messaged me and offered $100. I politely declined. Another lady wanted to have this bench outside. You may have noticed in the ad copy that I included the word interior when describing the bench. I just started doing that as I want to make sure it's known up front that this is not built for outdoors. I offered to build her one for outside and am waiting for any reply. Now, I also decided to lower the price from $195 to $165. I have not received a lot of inquiries and it's a holiday weekend, so I want to see if I can generate some action. In addition to that, I switched out the featured photo that potential customers see first with a different one of the 10, just to try to shake things up a bit. All right, today is Sunday and, well, I may have lowered the price too soon. I sold the bench. Yes, that's right. I sold the bench today. Here is the message exchange I had with Michelle, the buyer. She had asked if it's available. I say, yes, it's still available. Then she asked if she can Venmo me and pick it up Tuesday. I say, sure, what time? Tells me it's absolutely beautiful. Let me check my schedule, she says, anytime not good for you. I'm coming from, and she gives the town. I say anytime's good. I'm at, give my address. Here's my Venmo. She says, sent. I'll text you before I head your way on Tuesday. Thank you. Let us know if you have any more like that. So I sent her a few pictures of what I built. And then she writes back, beautiful. Okay, once I pick this one up, I will decide which home it will go in, one of the two towns there, and then would love to order another one once I measure. Well, it's Tuesday, and Michelle just came by and picked up her bench. We discussed the second bench she wanted. She wants one a little bit shorter, so I told her I'd build that one for the same price. Not too bad, right? 2 orders from 1 ad. Now look, I hope these past couple videos have shown you it's not hard to build and sell on Facebook Marketplace. I showed you real life example. Yes, the economy is not that great right now, but as I'm learning, there's still people out there that have money to spend. So why not have them spend it on something you built, right? I hope I inspire you to take action. It's not that hard. You got to just take action. I need to go build me another bench now. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.